One of the first things that you do when you start a new process simulation is to add components to your process simulation. And based on the components that you add to your process simulation, you will choose the property estimation methods or the fluid package if you are talking about Aspen high Cs, for instance. And knowing your components is very important because the fluid package is what adds all the thermodynamics results to your process simulation. So if I'm doing a steam generation process simulation and I use Peng-Robson for my process simulation, I will find some results, but that will not be as much accurate as if I use the ASME steam for the semi-process simulation. And moreover, sometimes we have fluid package or property estimation methods that do not fit one with another. When I'm dealing with gas sweetening, for instance, sometimes I need to use for my gas stream a fluid package that is not compatible with other components that are available in my process simulation. So knowing your components will help you to choose the best fluid package for your process simulation.